Good morning, everybody. Troy here from Troy's Hobbies. It's a beautiful morning. Check this out. Yeah, nice and quiet. Anyways, I'm out here on my front patio doing a little bit of cleanup. I need to clean the inside of the Traeger. Every half a dozen uses, you want to clean it out, or all this stuff turns to smoke. You can't even see it, but that's carbon. It's not that good. And it flames up easy, and you can catch the interior on fire. I know, because I've done it. So that's in the works. But right now, really quick, I'm going to marinate some chicken drumsticks, and I'm going to show you how I do it. It's very simple. I try and make everything simple, simple cooking. Trying to stay away from the sugars, bad fats, and stuff like that. So I will be using probably olive oil or avocado oil just to spritz on this before I put it in the smoker. But really quick, this is just drumsticks, lemon, and I'm trying out, I've never used this one before. I like to try out different seasonings. McCormick Perfect Pitch Rotisserie chicken seasoning. I have not used that, so let's go ahead and flip this camera around. This is my outdoor kitchen setup, as you can see. I haven't used that one in a long time. That's electric vertical. It's just when you have this, it's hard to use that electrical. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, put it aside. I like to use these because you can throw everything in there and just close it up and mix it around to marinate it. Go ahead and put this aside. I got about a dozen drumsticks. Nothing fancy. This is not fancy. I don't do fancy cooking. The wife and I are both on keto, so we're trying to stay away from the bad stuff. And actually, for keto, chicken's one of our favorite meals. But we used to fry it and stuff, which is bad. The oil, vegetable oil, canola oil is considered bad. So we've switched out pretty much to avocado oil or olive oil. So really quick, to help with the marination, this is fresh squeezed lemon, 2 of them. Might be overkill, I don't know. It'll be a little bit tangy if it does, no problem. And let's go ahead and open this up. Perfect Pitch Rotisserie chicken. Season it to your liking. My wife has IBS, so I put a little bit of seasoning, but I try not to overdouse it because I could always add it later if I need it. It's going to be another quick meal. Yesterday's video was another quick meal. This is for dinner, and like I said, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now. That's more than enough. We'll go ahead and close it up. Do now is just close it up, give it a nice shake, and I'm gonna put it in the outside fridge to let it marinate. Take a quick look at it. Yeah, it looks good. That's good to go. It's almost about 2 o'clock. It's time to get the smoker cleaned up, as you can see. Hey, see this? Got this on Amazon. I've used it in the house and for the vehicle, but I mainly use it for cleaning that. So I already have that cleaned out, the aluminum foil removed, just need to recover it. But this little guy, I think I got it for like 50 bucks, somewhere around there. Works really good for cleaning out, and then it fits right into the, so you can see that, right in there. Let's go ahead and clean this out so I can get it going, and we're going to go ahead and get that chicken that I marinated about 8 o'clock this morning. Oh, it was built up in there. I don't know if you guys saw that. I have it on smoke, so I just want to make sure it's going to light up before I put the heat shield on. The deflector, whatever it's called. Just in case there's an issue, I'm not taking it back apart. I used this yesterday, so everything is cold. Don't vacuum anything that's hot and then put it back in your house. You might come home to a burnt down home. So put a little bit more in there. It took about 4 minutes. And while I was waiting for that, I went ahead and covered. Oops, I missed that spot, but that's good to go. There you go. Now I'm gonna cover it. There, looking good in there. Got it at set to 250. 250? Yeah, 250. And topped it off. Good to go. I'm gonna let this get up to temperature, and then we'll go ahead and bring the chicken out. Alrighty, folks. 250, 255 degrees, I believe. 255. Yep. I love these. Got these Nexgrill. I'll have a link down below. It'll be non-commissioned. I think I got it at, can't remember, Home Depot. Give it a little shake before we open. Smells good. That McCormick is really good, smelling wise. Whoop. That would have been funny if I dropped it. Not really. Last one. I think we're good to go. All right, 45 minutes. See you then. 50 minutes roughly. Let's check. It might be done. I don't want to overcook it. We'll go ahead and turn it, and it's definitely not done. It smells good though. I might crank up the heat. I just wanted some flavor and some smoke in it, and then I'll just crank it up, finish it off, and we'll be good to go. All right, this should be it. Been a good 20 minutes. Smelling good. Another 10 minutes, and you can hear all the moisture hitting the aluminum foil. Oh, look at that, just drip. When the liquid is clear, we know it's done. Done. I started at 250. I already got it down and shut down, as you can see. All I gotta do is take it out. It's done. Oh yeah. Fantastic. Smells fantastic. Smells like the rotisserie chicken you get at Costco. So enjoying the scenery. That's smoke from the fires here in Northeast Washington. Farmers out there cutting his crop, just enjoying the weather, enjoying this chicken. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.